My name is Kate,
My name is Lakesh,
and my topic is homeopathy.
and my topic is allopathy.
And my first point is homeopathy is the longest established alternative medicine to come out of Europe, was created in 1796.
And my first point is allopathy is a health system which is stopped from the 1810.
And it is discovered by Samuel Hahnemann.
Oh wow! Our discoverer is the same Samuel Hahnemann.
And its homeopathy aim is to maximize individual choice and care to improve health.
Nice. And the allopathy is the process in which the medical doctors, nurses, paramedics, and the other healthcare professionals are licensed to practice and treat symptoms and diseases.
And it is the medicine based on the quality of life, well-being, and improve health.
Yes. And there's allopathy has a lots of side effects.
But the homeopathy has no any side effect.
Wow, that's amazing. Then allopathy has a very fast action than the homeopathy.
The homeopathy has a slow action.
Oh, and allopathy has a harsh and painful to take.
And the homeopathy has no any harsh and it's easy to take.
And allopathy medicines are very costly. A poor person can't afford it.
But homeopathy medicine are too cheap. A poor people can afford it.
And the allopathic medicines are treat only the part or organ which is affected.
Okay, nice. And the homeopathic medicine treats the whole body.
And allopathic medicine have many type of the improvements like immunity and prevent cancers.
And the homeopathic medicine stimulates the immune system, which helps in healing the patient naturally.
And the allopathy is not shows the permanent results.
And homeopathic medicine are non-toxic and do not have any side effect.
Okay, nice. And the mostly the means the showing of the results of allopathy is the very low than the homeopathy.
It is an ancient form of medicine.
And the allopathy may affect on, to the immune system of the human is, and it is also not recover the person like naturally.
The homeopathy and allopathy both are the subjects within with opathy.
Nice. And allopathy has a modern form of the medication of the modern.
And homeopathy improves immunity and hence help in preventive care.
Nice. There's an institution where we are receiving these type of the knowledge, which are the college or universities of the medicals.
And homeopathy, the practitioners of the homeopathy with a basic degree from both the systems, homeopathy and allopathy, are called doctors.
That means the duration of the basic degrees is the same.
Yeah. Nice. And homeopathy theory based on the fixed principles of living of nature which do not change.
Thank you. And allopathy is the modern form of the medicines and various the letters and ancient of the medications, and it is related to all parts.
Yeah, nice. And homeopathic medicines are proving the more scientific methods of testing.
Yes, the allopathy medications are medicines which are not means legally approved to prescribe.
And homeopathic medicine are evidence based on the empirical medicine.
Yes, but allopathy is the modern form of the medication.
And homeopathy is both art and science.
In the allopathy, such drugs are using which are most affectable for the human body.
Yeah, and nice. And homeopathy medicines are safe for women which are pregnant, and it's also safe for children and old people.
Okay, nice. And but most of the allopathic drugs which are not a side effect.
Yeah, and homeopathic medicine treats 6 genetic problems. With 6 genetic causes: number 1, tuberculosis; another is syphilis and cancer, posra, leprosy.
And there is a allopathy and the homeopathy. These have their own form, like their own pros and their own cons.
And homeopathic medicines are used in agriculture. They are known agro-homeopathy.
In the time of the urgent recovery emergency, there's allopathy is used.
Yeah, and in 2009, Nobel Prize winner L. Mentozines proved that homeopathic actions. So thank you in the last.
Nice. And the overall the allopathy is the best for everyone.
And the homeopathy has no any side effect. It is too good for taking, and the way of taking is you have to put under the tongue and it will dissolve in some time. So thank you.
Please clap for